Hey guys, what's up? It's Paul from Crypto Lifestyle back with another video. In this video, we'll do a quick review of PolyStake, a new platform on Polygon chain that pays from 8 to 12.5% daily ROI. Alright guys, so we are back at it. Let's take a look. So it actually started like 2 or 3 days ago. I was sitting on it, looking at it. It gained quite a traffic. Look at the number of users, 2,700, over 2,700 people here. And the total staked MATIC is, as you can see, it's rising 700,000 MATIC, which equals to, let's take a look at the contract. On the balance, we have 515,000 MATIC, which is $730,000, which is nice. So we gained a lot of traffic here. Let's take a look at the plans here. So we have 4 plans. We will look at in detail in a minute. First, let's look at the audit because it will give us a portion of information that we need to understand how it works. They have some unique features here, so that would be the best. Okay, so the PolyStaker smart contracts provides the opportunity to invest any amount in MATIC, but the minimum is 5 MATIC, and the contract and get from 120% to 250% ROI, return on investment, between 15 to 20 days, if the contract balance has enough funds for payment, of course. This is how the smart contracts work. So all dividends are calculated at the moment of request and available for withdrawal anytime or at the end of the plan, because there is one plan that will freeze your dividends. You'll get everything after the plan will end. So after 20 days, we'll look at the plan on the website, Invest. So the contract owner's fee is 10% for investing. There is no contract owner's fee for reinvest. We have 4 plans here. They might you might get different returns on the website because they also do have a hold bonus, but the basic total return for the first plan is 120%, and the daily profit is 8%. You will get it for 15 days. You can withdraw your dividends anytime. Your MATIC will be like frozen the contract. You won't be able to withdraw your principal. You'll get it in dividends. So let's say for the first 12 days you'll get your principal, and then the last 3 days you'll earn a total return of 20%. It can be higher if you hold. We will look at it in a minute. The second plan is for 140% ROI, so the clean profit here is 40%. Daily profit is 7%. You'll get it over the period of 20 days. You can also withdraw your dividends anytime, and it will take you roughly 13 days or 13 to 14 days to recap your initial investment. Then you'll be able to your dividends will be your clean profit. The third plan is a little bit strange. It's a random plan. I've seen it in the past. It gives you some kind of randomness. So if you invest here, you'll get a random return. It might be 80% or like 90 something percent. So you actually lose here because you won't be able to take your initial investment. But if you're lucky, you might be able to get over 230%. So that's nice, and this is only for the period of 20 days. And then your daily profit will vary from 4 to 12%, depending on your luck, basically, because it will randomly give you a return. And the last plan, which will pay you a total return and 250%, will give you daily profit of 12.5, but actually you won't be able to take a withdraw daily. You'll get everything at the end of the plan. So after 20 days, you'll be able to withdraw. Let's say you'll invest 100 MATIC, you'll get 250 MATIC, so 150 MATIC will be your clean profit. The minimum deposit is 5 MATIC, like we said. After the launch of the project, daily profit will increase 0.5% every day for new deposits. It's like a standard now. What's good here is new people that will come in the third day, on the fourth day, like me now, I'll get more than this basic plan. So I'll have more or less equal chances to profit here, and I will get a better return. But I'm not at the beginning. But that's what I liked. I've done similar contracts in the past, and I was doing the deposits for like first 1 or 2 or 3 weeks, and it was very nice to diversify this way because I was getting a better return later on. So probably I will use the same strategy here. Of course, it's not a financial advice. Always do your own research, guys. Never listen to anyone. The best person to listen to is you. Okay, so they also do have a hold bonus that I mentioned. Users will receive zero point 0.1, additionally 0.1% daily profit bonus on holding dividends and not withdrawing. Okay, so you won't be able to withdraw if you want this to get this hold bonus. The maximum is 2%. So if you hold for 20 days, you'll earn a little bit more every day, because every day you'll get this 0.1% bonus. It also only applies with plans 1, 2, and 3, not with the plan 4, which is not a daily plan. Okay, I mean, you cannot withdraw daily. So there are some rules here. So withdraw and reinvest are available anytime. Users can withdraw all dividends or reinvest a specific share of dividends, and they have a nice feature here that you can like choose how much percent you want to be reinvested of your dividends, of course, when you withdraw. We'll take a look at it. So when users reinvest, they will get an extra 0.5 daily profit bonus only on plans 1, 2, and 3, and the reinvested amount will be increased by 2%. So that will incentivize people to reinvest just a little bit when they're withdrawing, just to get these bonuses. Okay, so I really like that, because that's features like that keep this balance steady. So that's something that I'm always looking at. They have a referral system as well. It pays 11% over 4 levels. From level 1 you'll get a standard 5%, but they have 3% from level 2, which is nice, and 2% from level 3. On level 4 is 1%. Okay, so we visited the contract as well, so you can take a look at the audit here on the website. It's available for everyone. Also, when the contract is audited and verified, you can actually check the code and see everything. In order to be able to invest here, you'll need some MATIC and MetaMask wallet. You can download the MetaMask wallet from the official website. I guess I'll put a link here. If you are on your mobile, then you might use Token Pocket or Trust Wallet. I recommend Token Pocket, but again, it's not a financial advice, right, guys? So look now. Now the first plan is paying 9.1%, and it was paying only 8% at the start. So there, this already for me is nice, because the total return here is not 20% but 36, which is pretty nice. So I will probably diversify into inside the platform. So I will put a little bit here and a little bit here, so that will give me a better total return. And well, that's the strategy I've been using lately, and I've been pretty happy with it. So we're gonna put 2 deposits in 2 plans in a minute. Let's just look at the plan 3. So right now, because before it was 80%, but because they have this basic rate which is rising 0.5% every day, so now the worst case scenario, you'll get 2% profit here. If you're a risk taker, maybe I'll try with small amounts. You can try here to get a max return on something better than in the first 2 plans. I mean, this is random, so it's like a lottery, but you won't be able to lose anymore because it's already 2% profit. And the last plan, also for risk takers, because you'll have to wait 20 days to get everything, but you'll get right now it's 272% ROI, so it's 172% profit. So from 100 MATIC, you'll get 172 MATIC profit, clear profit. So if you are a risk taker, you believe in this platform, you've done some research, that's up to you. You can choose this plan. Okay, so we've talked more or less about everything. Here you'll find your referral link. You can copy it, share it to your friends. And here is the feature that I mentioned. So you can just withdraw freely, but you can also withdraw and reinvest while withdrawing, so in one transaction. So, and then I'm not sure, but I mean, if you withdraw, you'll lose your hold bonus. Okay, so that's something to be aware of. All right, guys, let's do it. Let's put 50 MATIC here. So from 50 MATIC here, I will get 68 MATIC in total. So my profit will be 18 MATIC. So right now I decided to put just a little bit. If I see that this is going good, maybe I'll put more. And then in a few days, it also be more. It might be like 10% or 11% because it's rising every day. So let's take the MATIC. You won't see the window that just appeared. Is a window where you need to confirm on your MetaMask. Always check everything there, right? So you also need some extra MATIC on your wallet to cover the fees. Everything you do here is a transaction. This is a smart contract, decentralized application. So you'll need MATIC to cover the transaction fees. All right, so we'll wait a little bit. Sometimes MATIC is slow, so we'll need a couple of like a few seconds, maybe 15 to 20 seconds, and then I'll wait after the first one is confirmed, and then I'll put the second one. After I refresh, I should see it here, but I need to wait for the confirmation. It's already confirmed, so let's refresh. Oh, it's loading nicely. Yeah, nice. They did a good job with the design. So my first 50 MATIC is staked, and I can already, it's in real time, guys. You'll see your dividends in real time. Of course, I will have to wait for it to accumulate. Um, if I want to withdraw, I mean, it's better to withdraw every, I know, 10 or 20 MATIC because you'll pay a small amount of MATIC for every transaction. So, well, that's always some cost. So it's better to like withdraw once a day maybe, or however you want it really, guys. I'm usually withdrawing daily. Here you'll see your plan and your daily profit that you got at the moment of depositing. And let's do a second one right now. And here from 50 MATIC, I will actually get 81 MATIC. So it was a better strategy for me and not to put everything here. But I always also wanted to, just to minimize the risk a little bit, you know, guys. That's the strategy that I'm using. Money management is very important, guys. So I'm always trying to keep up with my strategy. That's because the common mistake is not following your strategy. Okay. And we're gonna wait as well, just a few seconds after it's confirmed. We're gonna see it's here, and it will be a second deposit that will work. I mean, they will work together, but you'll see the probably you'll see the progress here, so you will be able to follow, do calculations. In the DeFi, it's good to do some math, you know. All right, so I can see it already. Thank you guys for watching this video. I wish you good luck. If you like the video, please leave me a like. Also join my Telegram chat where I'm doing giveaways and I'm also sharing. You can ask me anything there. There for you actually. Thank you for watching, guys. See you soon on another video.